Hey guys, we are gonna go on a family walk except for Mommy. Mommy is gonna stay behind so she can have some planning time. So I'm gonna take everybody and we're gonna go on a family walk. Hence the ergo. We haven't busted this thing out in a long time. We're trying it out for the first time with her. So far she seems to be liking it. Hopefully she loves it. And I know she loves outside. She just loves outside. So see how that goes. And these two awesome adventurers are gonna have their machetes. They're gonna go ahead of us and hack a trail. Plus, I want to show you some things and show you some of our vision that we have for this property that I haven't really shared much of yet.
No, I don't want to cut the pinch. I don't want to hit the block.
Okay, guys, this is a blackcap raspberry patch, and we did a chop and drop to favor the blackcap raspberries in this area, and they are flourishing in here. And right now we're getting to reap some of those rewards. Getting to them again. Okay, part of the vision I'm going to share with you is that now in this area we want to put in a huge pond. It's going to be, well, I say huge, it's going to be like a full acre. And the reason that we want to do that is because up here there's a hill there, and then it slopes all the way down and continues to slope till it goes to here. Then it kind of levels out and then it meets up with the stream. So in this heavily wooded area, which mostly is woods that we don't need, so I want to cut all these trees down, harvest the firewood since we use it for heating and cooking, and put in a huge pond. But in the pond I want to do strips of islands so that we can trellis from island to island and grow food over those trellises, and they're called a chinampa system. So then you can just take your boat through those canals and harvest food as you're going through the canals. And I want to have this stocked then with sunfish or perch and largemouth bass. So then we'll have a sustainable fishery as well. The largemouth bass eat the sunfish, and the sunfish eat all the organic material. That's this part of the vision that I haven't really shared much on that at all. It's a big vision, but it's something here on the property. Can you imagine having a whole 1 acre pond that's stocked with fish that's growing crazy amounts of food? Wouldn't that be cool? So far we've just been working on the 5 acres out front basically, mostly our zone 1, and then this will be part of our zone 2 and zone 3 out here. So that's that part of the vision.
Look at that flower. I like it.
Oh yeah, it's pretty. She likes this flower. Yeah. Buster boys out here to make sure we're all safe. I guess she's a little bit tired. There she goes. Ooh, that breeze is nice.
Guys, real quick, watch, I'm gonna come back and cut these. Yeah, we can't go fast enough. What's there?
Some critter chewed on this mushroom.
no.
Alright, Josh, you show us how it's done.
It goes up this way.
Cut the trail.
Oh yeah, man, I think I see it up there. No, it goes off its turn, I think. Okay. Daddy, I think I found a deer trail.
Uh-huh.
Really?
See, guys, we used to have a trail through here, but what happened?
The weeds grew up.
It grew up like crazy because we haven't been back here for a while, huh?
Yep.
Now we're having to cut trail again.
Nate, remember that?
Yeah. Crazy down the pond.
Yeah. That's why one reason I do like having dogs or something. No, the snake like no.
Yep.
They're un-
Alright, let's see what Mommy's up to. Hey, hon.
Hey,
So what'd you do while we were gone?
homeschool planning.
Oh, homeschool planning.
Yeah.
So why is it a big deal for me to take everybody away so you can have some planning time?
It's pretty much the only time I ever have just quiet with no questions or needs or anything, so I can just really dig in.
Dig into all this?
Yeah, into all this.
How long were we gone for?
About an hour.
My goal was a minimum of an hour.
Yeah, that was wonderful.
Cut and trail through the jungle forest. That's about as long as we can go.
Yeah. Well, thank you. Thanks for giving me that time.
It's our pleasure.
A bunch of the family took off running earlier, and then Josh came in with a whole bowl of black-cap raspberries. Look at you guys.
Been watching this little forest of black-cap raspberries and just got the unction today to actually come down and check on it, and sure enough, it is just thick in here.
Yeah, it's wonderful.
Them up here.
Are you eating them, Jay?
So I'm kind of chopping and dropping
Gonna-
as I'm going. And
Do you like them?
Uh-huh.
Are you saving any? Or just eating them all?
Esther.
He's just eating them all.
You just eating them all, buddy?
Even the red ones.
Even the red
Knock
ones,
stuff
huh?
down
Shoveling
against
them
me.
in.
Just cut.
Oh, so good. Cool, good work, guys. Oh, you been helping too, Naderbug?
Yep.
Cool. Bunch of gooseberries right here too. I guess Esther already found a ripe one.
Me
That's
too.
fun.
I found one too.
Oh, you guys all found gooseberries! Yay!
Just no.
Never
Don't eat it. Put it in the bowl.
put it in the bowl.
Oh man.
Grab the bowl out.
Esther, Nathan, you got the bowl?
I got the bowl.
Josh found some really big ones and Jay wanted to eat them. He's taking them to the bowl.
He wants to eat them all.
He wants to eat them all, yeah.
Stop eating that.
Someone else is eating them too. Just for perspective, there's our garden. And then this is the trail right here down to the creek that I'm standing on. And it goes down to the creek. So these blackcaps are only about 30 feet from our garden. It's a patch on both sides of the trail. Did you put those in the bowl, Jay?
What?
Did you put those in the bowl? Good. Then maybe Mommy can make a treat out of them. Will that be fun?
Yeah. But can you though?
I'm gonna try.
You're gonna try doing that?
I'm gonna try making a treat. Makes it worth saving them then, huh?
Yeah.
Good boy. Real quick, I just wanted to show you guys that Caleb and I got a start on our compost bin filling on this new compost center that we got going. Hooray for a start on a compost bin. It's about a quarter of the way full. We have plenty of more muck and garden waste and things that we're going to keep piling in there. Not sure if we're going to have quite enough sun to bake this black-cap raspberry dessert, but hopefully we'll have just enough to get it done. All you can see is a reflection, but there is a black-cap raspberry dessert in there. It's just the black-cap raspberries and then a little almond flour crumble on top. It's small for our family of 8, but we'll at least each get a little taste tester if the sun keeps on shining just long enough.
Daddy lets you have any.
Yeah, it is Father's Day, huh? You could eat the whole thing yourself if you wanted.
Could I? Okay, thank you. There you go. Look at the, you can see the needle move when the sun's out.
Yeah. Well, the good thing is, even if it doesn't get totally baked, we can still eat it. Unless you want to eat it all.
No way. Alright guys, it's going to do it for today. Thank you so much for watching. And I pray blessing over you and yours. And whatever you do, do with your whole heart.